Hello everyone, welcome back to the maths class of Mount Litra Z School, Surat. Great school, great future. In today's session, I'm going to discuss word problems, page number 152, chapter 8, comparing quantities. Question number 12. The population of a town in 2010 was 80,000 and the population of the town increases by 5% per annum. Find the population of the town in the year 2013. Fine. For this solution, what you will do? Here you have the population of a town in 2010, that is 80,000. That means initial population is given. The population was in 2010 80,000, that is given. Fine. And the increases by 5% per annum. So rate is given 5% per annum. And find the population of the town in the year 2013. That means time, how will you calculate? From 2013 you have to subtract 2010. That means for 3 years you have to calculate. Fine. Now, so find the population of the town in the year 2013. So the population, how will you calculate? The same formula. Population in the year 2013, that means initial population, consider is P, the same. P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power T. And the initial population was 80,000. 1 plus rate was 5 upon 100. And the timing, you know that how we calculated it. We got 3. Now we'll cancel it. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 0 as it is. So 80,000 into 21 upon 20 raised to the power 3. Now 80,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Why I did so? Because it was saying 21 upon 20 raised to the power 3 times. So you will easily calculate population in the year 2013. Now here again I am going to cancel it. 0, 0, 0. Cancelled. 1, 2, 3. 2 4s are 8, 40, 220, and here 210. When you multiply this 10 into 21 into 21 into 21, you will get 92,610. So that is your answer, the population in the year 2013. Clear? Next we have question number 13. And it says the population of a city increased at the rate of 2% per annum between the years 2000 and 2002. That means timing is 2 years. And if the population in the year 2002 was 41,616, find the population of the town in the year 2000. That means in this question, initial population you have to calculate. What was the population in the year of 2000? Fine. And this actual population, this after this 2002, this population is given. So for this solution, what you will do? Initial population you don't know. Fine. So let it be P. Let the initial population in the year 2000, that is P. Clear? Timing, how will you calculate? 2002 minus 2000, that means time is 2 years. And the rate is given 2%. Rate is given 2%. And that population in the year 2002 means after that. That means after the population is given 41,616. So the same formula, the population which was on 2002, that was 41,616. Initial we assumed P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power T. Now P was P because I assumed initial population P. It was not given in the question. 1 plus rate was 2 upon 100 and the timing was also 2. Now we'll cancel it. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 0. So P into 51 by 50 raised to the power 2. Clear? Now you will transpose it. How will you transpose it? In short, you can say 41,660 equals to P into 51 by 50 into 51 by 50. I am shifting calculation here. So what you can write? 41,616 into 50 upon 51 into 51. Here I am going to cancel it. So if you cancel it with 51, 51 ones are 51, and if you will cancel it, you will get 816. 51 ones are 51, 51, 16, 816. Now 16 into 50 into 50. So the initial population, the population which was in 2000, that was how much? 40,000. This way you can easily calculate. Very easy question. Next question we have. Charan bought a car for rupee 4,20,000 and the value of the car depreciates at the rate of 10% per annum. Find the value of the car after 2 years. For this solution, what you will do? That value of the car is given. Value of the car, that is rupee 4,20,000. Value of the car depreciates means what? That value decreases by 10% per annum. Annually the value decreases by 10%. So the rate is given 10% per annum, and the timing, find the value of car after 2 years. So time is 2 years. Now how will you calculate the value? Value of the car after 2 years. What was the initial value, or what was the value when he bought the car? Into 1 minus the rate upon 100 raised to the power T. Why I did minus here? Because it says the value of the car depreciates. The value decreases. That's why I did minus here. Now value was 4,20,000 into 1 minus rate was 10% and the timing was 2 years. Now 0, 0 will cancelled. 0, 0. Fine. 10 ones are 10 and minus 1, 9 by 10. 4,20,000 into 9 by 10 raised to the power 2. So 4,20,000 into 10 upon 9 upon 10 into 9 upon 10. 0, 0 cancelled. 9 nines are 81 and 81 into 400, 4,200. You will get 340, 200. Means 3,40,200 rupee. Because why? See, you can cross check the value of the car. In the year when he purchased this car, when he bought this car, the value was 4,20,000, and after 2 years the value decreased. That means the value will come less. So 3,40,200 is the answer, the value of the car after 2 years. Clear? Now we are going to recall the formula: simple interest and compound interest. Important formula. Simple interest, the formula is P into R into T upon 100. And if the P you have to find, what is the formula? 100 into simple interest upon R into T. If R you have to find, what is the formula? If time you have to calculate, and the rest 3 factors, the remaining 3 factors are given how to calculate. The formula will come out 100 into simple interest into P into R. Clear? And the compound interest, A means amount, that is P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n. A is total amount after number of years. P is principal or original value, you can say. R rate of interest per annum. N number of years the money is invested. Clear? Fine. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.